5. Okay, second game for tonight, playing white po. Yan po ang The Mechanicos or The Mechanics. Kabilang po is playing red po yan, red and blue-black combination. Yan po ang QR Towers o yung control tower po ng Qatar Airways. Okay, ito po yung host of you, Arvin G Vlogs with you. And time now for the second game now between yan po ang Mechanicos versus QR Towers. Okay, ano po to? Ito po ang Aviation Friendly Double sa Flying League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hanin Padran, Trade the Needles, Sampan po SPB DOA, and PSBQ Basketball League. Second game po tonight po is Mechanicos and QR Towers. After this po is QDF versus Boleros. Per meantime po, enjoy muna po tayo. QR Towers versus Mechanicos. Okay, first quarter lineup. Pinapatawagan na po. Starters po natin. Starters, nasa na po kayo? Starters. It's already 8 o'clock PM. Pasensya na po, na-delay po yung laro po natin. Dahil may pong event po kanina. Bago po tayo sumalang po sa court na ito. Okay, lahat po ng hikaw, mga ano po, kwintas. Hikaw, kwintas, pakialam po. Maraming salamat po. Hikaw, kwintas, pati po ano, takin lang po tayo.
Isa lang to?
Okay, kundi bigyan na po sa amin para masanglaan na lang po. Para may tayong palibagong ano. Okay, first quarter action. Sa red shirts po tayo, si Darko, number 17. AJ, si Max, si McCoy, at si Talan, si Velasco rather. Kabila na po, nandiyan po si Bemax, Hipolito, number 6, number 35, at si number 11. Sama natin po dyan po si number 8. Yan. Darko, nope. Nakakuha ni Beckmax, ni Koy Max. Comex po rito, intercepted by Velasco. Velasco intercepted. Again, stable po tayo. Koy Max, hindi, ayaw. Ano muna? Then kay Ricky. Nice one by number 11, pero di na-shoot po ang bola. And Darko. Makoy, nope. No good. Balik muli po sa ano, bola sa Mechanicos. Number 9. Binababa ang bola. Ricky. Nope. It's Hoy! Traveling violation ka dyan, boy. Traveling violation called on number 11 ng Mechanicos. Balik muli po sa pula ang bola. Pula. Or QR Towers po. Playing red po ngayon. And Darko for 3. Bang! 3 points now. Darko opening up the game with 3 points now for QR Towers. And Koy Max for 3. Nope. Nandun. Si number 23. Darko again. Darko. 2 points, Darko. Darko, 2 points. And Ricky. Binababa ang bola. And to Hipolito. Almost had the ball. Colina, Koy Max. Pops up. Nope. Wala pa rin. And Darko pass to 23 na to AJ. And to Velasco, number 6. Setting up the pace against Koy Max. McCoy. Thinking 3 pero nag-travel ka doon, boy. Sabi ng referee. Driving violation called on McCoy. Koy Max. Koy Max 87. Binababa ang bola. Colina pops up. Nope, ayaw. Calma rather. Calma again. Calma driving strong. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Darko. And nandun si McCoy. Malakas ang bola. Koymax Shokov for a foul. Koymax. McCoy, number 7, shooting for 2. McCoy, number 7, shooting for 2 po tayo. First shot ni McCoy, pasok. Second throw, McCoy, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, McCoy, jumpers ready. And pops up. Wala. Nandun si Kalma. Nandito si Ricky. Ricky, binababa ang bola. Ricky against Darko. Ricky nakalusot. Kick pass kay Polito. Hipolito, no good. Rebound. Malakas pa rin. Velasco from Darko. Velasco. Velasco. Wala. Ricky, malakas ang pass kay Ricky. Kanino? Jurex player of the game? Walang ganun, walang ganun, walang kumakansyo ngayon, tahimik.
Tahimik ba ka na sa flight?
Baka. Wala. And Koymax, wala. Ano ko niya, no? Walang ayos ah. Nag-assemble si may ensemble ah. Velasco, nope, it's McCoy. Huwag kapos pa rin. McCoy muli. Oh, teka lang, traveling violation ka doon, sabi ng referee naman. The score right now is 6-0. Lamin pa rin po ang QR Towers, the red shirts in the lead. And Ricky from Kalma. Ricky again, Ricky, binababa ang bola, Ricky. Ricky for 3. No good. Rebound by Darko. Darko now to Mr. Velasco. AJ kumuha ng pick. Held ball situation. Goose ball rep. Red ball, sabi. It's red ball. Pero calling now, second 5. Okay, second 5. Sa QR Towers, nandiyan po si Haron. Ha? UDP last game. Okay, Haron, number 10, number 43, number 99. Ha?
Malapit ang KFC.
Kabila.
Sa
Kabilang Lulu. Kabilang sa British Academy. Bakit? And, ayun na. Wala pa rin. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Nandun si number 99. Masyadong malaki ang mga galamin ni number 99. Kaya nakuha yung bolang yun. And Kemis. That's Kemis. Number 99 for the rebound earlier. Intercepted. And number 95. Haron. Malakas. Talan. Nilabas muna. Kemis. No good. Mekanagos on the run. Mekanagos binababa. David. Baklaan, number 4. Driving strong. Foul call. O sige. Shoutout kanino?
Fred Dimacali ng Inflight.
Fred Dimacali ng Inflight. Where are you na? Shoutout po sa iyo. Coming from Mr. Babagay.
Akala ko sa atin yung lalaro. Umalis.
Inflights yun eh.
Di ba na yung nakalista na sa akin?
Jarabe. Nope. Ayun sa ilalim. 2 points sa wakas. Sa kaso. Nakascore ang team Mecanicos. Amigo, binabantayan. Scene again. C. 3 points. C. 3 points.
Kasi ano? Na-village mo siya.
Mecanicos, David.
Dapat doon kami.
Jarabe for 3. Bang! Jarabe 3 points.
Tara. Balik ako sa San Pedro. Magpapakain daw yung birthday boy.
Matalik ka dito.
Oo.
And Haron, number 10. Dingy 3, ayaw niya. Number 10, pops up. Pops up C. Nope. Rebound, battle by Haron. 2 points, Haron. Haron, 2 points. Intercepted by C. Oh, lane violation. Nasobrahan. Baklaan. Pops up. 2 points. That's number 25. 2 points. That's Amigo. And now to number 10. C again. C. Kemis. Kemis. No good. Oh. No. Okay, balik pa rin po tayo. Si 11-7, a 4-point lead advantage only enjoyed by Team QR Towers. Kalma for the inbound. Kalma for the inbound. Mechanicos. On the attack, Mechanicos. That's David. David, binababa ang bola. David. Kalma. Kalma. Jerabe. Jerabe. Nice. Pasana. Intercept. David. Foul. Foul. Pero may foul. $95. Haron. Foul. David shooting for 2. Third personal po ni number 95. First shot made. Second throw ni David. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Tap out. Okay. Jerabe. Nice tap out. Hindi lang handa si Amigo. Pero tap out po. Meron na touch by last shirts pala, Amigo. For the inbound. And now kay Baklaan. Baklaan. Nice screen. Kalma naman. Walang pinasahan. Yun, talaga wala na talaga yun. Nice highlight sana yun. C, binababa ang bola. C. Talan. Nawala ang bola kay Talan. Talan. To David. David! No good. Nako kay Haron ng bola. Dapat tinirang yun. Patira na dapat yung palibag na si Baklaan. And Haron. Floater shot. Kapos. Rebound by Kalma. Then to Jarabe again. Jarabe. Jarabe. Nope. It's nando sila yung Baklaan. Touch last with the red shirts. Shot clock 15. Baklaan again. Baklaan. Nice. Nice. Nice rebound ni Kemis. Haron. 2 points Haron. Kumuha ng contact. Pero ang tawag. And dito po ngayon si David. David, binababa ang bola. David. Jarabe. 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 David. David. Jarabe again. Jarabe. Ayun. Nice one. Kay Amigo from Jarabe. Nice shot. Nice pass. Nice tight pass from Jarabe. And ko C. C number 43. C. Talan. Talol. Good ball. Nice. Hustle play. Jarabe. 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 No good. Foul. Nice foul. Nice follow-up ni Amigo. Jersey number 12. Talan called for the foul. Amigo shooting for 2. Amigo 2 shots given. Amigo first shot. Yes, sir. Second throw. Jumpers ready. First basket. Second shot. Pops up. both basket lead. 13-12 po score po natin, 13-12. Binababa po natin ang bola. Number 10, KC. And Baklaan on the attack. Baklaan, 2 points. Okay, first lead na been tasted by Team Mecanicos. 33 seconds remaining. Kemis, pow. Kalma called for a foul. Number 99, Kemis shooting for 2. Kemis, first shot. It's out. Second shot, Kemis, jumper ready. Kalma, naka-rebound. Baklaan again. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Baklaan against Kemis. Nice interception sana yun, no? And Baklaan again. Baklaan. Baklaan kay Jarabe for 3. Nope. Rebound by Kamige. Blocked by Kamis. Why Red Bull? Red Bull. Nice D. Nice D by Kamis. And C. Haron. Haron for 3. Nope, it's Kamis. Kamis. Wala. C. Wala na talaga. First quarter drawn to a close. The score is 13-14. Laman po ang Team Mecanicos. Back to the ball game. Okay, on the attack po ang white shirts. Second quarter lineup, nandiyan po si Makoy, si Max, si Amigo, Arabe, Polito, and si Ricky. Kabila naman si AJ, si Darko, si 27, si 22, at si number 23. Pops up, Ricky. No good. Tap. And nando kay Makoy. Nakalutot si Makoy. Makoy, 2 points. Okay, nabawi po kagad po ng red shirts po ang Kalamangan. 15-14, 9:43 remaining. Amigo. Harabe. Jarabe. Jarabe, running shot, 2 points. Walang tawag. No call, no call. No call, no call. Said no call. The ref says no call, no call. And again, number 22. Then kay Makoy. Makoy, binababa ang bola. Makoy. Makoy. Nope, it's Darko. Darko. 2 points, Darko. It became dark. It's Darko. And now Hipolito. Binababa ang bola ni Hipolito. Hipolito. Hipolito against Makoy. No, it's Joy Max. Joy Max. And Jarabe for 3. Nope, it's Amigo. Ricky again against and Joy Max for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by AJ. And held ball situation. Okay, red ball, red shirts. Okay, red shirts talaga finally. Sabi po, it's red shirts. AJ inbounding. And Darko. And to number 22, 2 points. 22. Eraskin, 2 points. And Hipolito. Hipolito. Ricky. Jarabe. Jarabe. Hipolito again. Hipolito. Ricky. Ricky. Pops up Ricky. Bang! 3 points, Ricky. Don't look now. 19 all ulit tayo. AJ, pinababa ang bola. Traveling violation called on Eraskin. Red shirts. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Hipolito. Koymax. 3-second violation called. Delay. Delay tayo. Okay, AJ. Binababa ang ball ni AJ. AJ. McCoy. Kapos. Hipolito. Lost the ball. Darko, binababa ang bola. Darko, nako ni Darko pa rin ang bola. Darko pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, Jarabe. No, it's Hipolito again. Then Ricky. Traveling violation. Dumikit. Traveling called. Jarko, 23. Mateo, binababa ang bola. Junsi, pa-shoutout po. Okay, shoutout po kay Junsi. Ricky! Nako! Ricky, isa pa! Wala pa rin! 2 points, Bacoy. Again, a 2-point advantage by the red shirts. 4 minutes watching. Also, Ricky for 3. No good. Rebound, AJ. Captain AJ now on the rebound. And Zago for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Hipolito again. 21-19, 5:27 remaining. McCoy, Koymax. Ricky na walang bola, masyado malakas sa pasa. Mahaba palang buk ni Koymax. Okay, 5:12 remaining. Darko, 23. Darko, lost the ball. Ricky. Ayun kay Koymax. Koymax pops up. Nope. Rebound. Darko. Lost the ball. Bola daw yun, sabi ng referee. Harabe. Foul. Change players po tayo ngayon. Jarabe shooting for 2. Second lineup now, calling already. Nandiyan po si Baklaan, si David. Mariretain yata si Ricky. Si Jarabe also mariretain din. Sa kabila na po, nandiyan si Velasco, si Haron, si si Camis, and of course, si number 17. That's Nicola. Delay tayo po sa session na. Dahil si may event kanina. Harabe. Nope. Still 21-19. 4:36 remaining. Velasco. Nicola. Camis. No good. Foul po. Foul number 14 for sure.
That's your first personal.
David called for a foul. Velasco, kick pass kay C. No good. Same ball. Red ball. Daan lang. Red ball. C. Nice stop. Up. White ball. Rolling ball. White ball. Jarabe. Binababa mo si Jarabe ang bola. Katabi mo kay Commander. Si Commander Jarabe also. Jarabe 24 and now lost the ball. Pops up Ricky, 2 points. 3 points by Ricky. Lamang na naman. Lamang na naman sila ng isa. 22-21. Mechanicos 1 point lead. Nicola. McCoy. Nicola 2 points. 2 points Nicola. Balik pa 22-22. David, binababa ang ball ni David. Baklaan. Oy! Foul called. Nicola called for a foul. Jersey number 17, Nicola. Baklaan number 4. Baklaan. No go, Peran si Ricky. Same ball, kick ball. Ricky for 3. Nope. McCoy. And nando si Baklaan. Binababa ang bola, Baklaan. Nako, nando si Jarabe. 2 points. 2 points Jarabe. Ayos. Op. Easy lang kayo. Friendly game lang tayo, boss. Friendly game lang. Oh. Friendly game lang. Cool down lang tayo. Okay, cool down lang po tayo. Okay, director. Okay, bench muna po tayo. Both teams po, please go to the bench. Maraming salamat po. We have to cool this thing down. Thank you very much po. Okay, technical foul. Number 11, technical foul on jersey number 99 also ng both teams. 11-99, call for the technical foul. 11 para sa Mechanicos. And 99 po also come from Mechanicos also. And bola po ng pula. Okay, back to the game po tayo ngayon. Labas muna po yung dalawa. Para lumamig. And Nicola. Harold. Foul! Rinig yun, boy. Narinig yun. Warning for penalty. C. Nawalan ang bola kay C. Traveling violation called. Trabaho. Ang problema, yung pera. Ayan! Ian. Okay, Ian, sinasabi. Bakit di mo pinapakita, Bin, yung mga nangyari sa loob? Hindi pwede, boss. Pasensya na po. C. Pops up, Haron, 2 points. Di pwede pakita yung boss, baka maratay sa Facebook. And Baklaan. Jarabe fouled by C. Kaya pala di-off yata yung facilities. Kaya na-delay kasi kanina, ma'am eh. Ma'am, na-delay kanina. Kaya pa di-off kasi wala kasi magtutupi ng court kanina yung volleyball. Kaya delay, baka di-off yata tong facilities na pumunta lang dito. Nice stop pass. Nope. Nandun si C. Nandun si Nicola. Nandun si Haron. Haron. Foul! David called for the foul. Haron, number 95, shooting for 2. At 13 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. First shot, pasok. Second throw, Haron, jumpers ready. Lamang na po ng 2 minute po ang team, the red shirts, ang QR Towers. Haron, second shot, number 95, pops up. Wala rin. Jersey number 14 called for a foul. This time it's Haron shooting for 2. Haron shooting for 2. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po para kami sa Haron. Number 95. Pops up. Wala rin. Haron naman ang Rio. Foul na naman kay Haron. Amigo called for the foul. Penalty situation. Also Mechanicos and Haron again. Another 2 shots given. First shot. Wala pa rin. Wala. Second throw, Haron. Jumpers ready po tayo. 12 seconds remaining. Haron. Full baskets break. Out of bounds. 6 seconds remaining. 6 seconds to shoot. 26-20 po na score po natin. Intercepted. Baklaan. Ricky. Pops up. Nope. Okay, that's it. Third quarter coming up. You're watching right now the game between Mechanicos and QR Towers. After this po, to end the game, to end the day, will be Boleros and QDF. Enjoy muna po tayo po sa Mechanicos and QR Towers. This is your aviation friendly Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po ang Team LBC, Harin Padala and Trading Needles. Nandiyan po ang SPB Pilipinas at PSPG Basketball League. Laro muna po tayo. Mechanicals versus QR Towers. Anak buhay. Finals. Next quarter po tayo yun. Within 30 seconds, we'll start now our second half of the ball game. Apa. Ako nakatoka sa ganito. Videography. Ako. Dati wala to. Pero nakika-exa na ako. Maganda ka rin. Okay, second half start right now. The score is 26-34. Okay, sa kabila po. Sa pula muna po tayo. Okay, number 99, 23, 10, 7 at number 0. Again, 99, 23, 22, 0 at si number 7. 7 nga. Kabila naman, number 7 din. Okay. Dahil kulang po ang Mechanicos, meron pong penalty free throws po para sa QR Towers. It's out. Okay, isa lang. O, kabila naman, si Makoy. Kapos. Okay, that's it now. Pag kasi po ang team po kasi kulang po, yung maraming, yung kompletong team, meron po sila pong technical feeds ibibigay sa kanila. At depende po kung gaano po kakulang po ang team na kulang. Yan, nakulang. Okay, back to the ball game din po tayo. Hipolito, nope, it's Ricky, inbounding. Amigo, turn around, naipit. Kalma, 2 points. Tabla. Almost lost the ball. And Makoy, butik na. Pops up, no good. Rebound, Kalma. Now to Hipolito. Hipolito binababa ang bola, 28-26 ang score. Lost the ball. Makoy. AJ, number 0. Erskine. No good. Rebound. Hipolito. Ricky. 2 points. Deadlock tie, 28 all. AJ. Makoy, naipit. Makoy, nako. Nice rebound. Again, Ricky on the run. Ricky for 3. Nope, rebound, Kalma. Wala pa rin. Foul. Tula ka, boy. Kita ka. And Erskine. Malakas ang pasa. Ricky, pinababa ang bola. Ricky. Boy Max. Ricky for 3. No good. Ricky, 3-point sana. Pero di pumasok. Okay, substitution ngayon. Erskine, labas muna para kay Mr. Velasco. AJ, binababa ng bola. Makoy, palpal. May pasok naman, sabi. Pinasok ko naman, kahit pinapalabo ko. QR Towers again, 7-30-28. Hipolito, number 25. Sa baba. Sabi. Number 19 na call for the foul.
That's your second personal foul.
Second personal po ni Camis. And Kalma again for the inbound. Inbound. Ayun. Hipolito. Bothered by Camis. Nope. It's Ricky. Nope. Nice one! And one play sana. Good ball. 2 points. Deadlock muli po tayo. Walang tawag na pal yun. AJ. Captain AJ on the run. AJ number 0. McCoy pops up. Almost had it. And McCoy for sure. Shooting for 2 po tayo. Number 7, QR Towers called for the timeout. The score is 30-all po tayo. Tablado sa 30. 6:33 remaining sa ating nalalabi po sa third quarter action. Ito po ang Radyo AFL 760 sa iyong kalapitan. Next game po tayo. Yan po ang QDEP or the Yellow Boys versus Boleros. Yan po ang the Green Boys. The Green Boys. Next game po yan po. Magandaan na po tayo. 6:33 remaining po sa ating third quarter action. And McCoy for 2. 2 shots given kay McCoy. First shot McCoy. Pasok. Nakuha ni Amigo ang bola. Amigo. Intercepted by the red shirts. Darko again. Darko. Good ball. Red ball. Red ball. And Darko. 2 points Darko. Darko slicing, dicing, and popping. RJ Masbang is watching. Good din po yun, sir. Maraming salamat po. Wow! Inipit ni Piraso si Jarabe pero hindi po nagpatilag ang mama. Balik po rin po tayo. 32-30. Lamang po ang pula ng dalawa. Baklaan. Jarabe, baklaan for 2. No good. Isa pa, baklaan. Naipit. Nandun si Jarabe. Pasok ang bola. Nice IQ. Lost the ball. Baklaan. Recovered. And kick ball. Nice hustle play ni Mr. Baklaan. Ni Mr. Hustle. Number 4, Baklaan. And David. Baklaan. Nagmamadali. Baklaan. And Jarabe for 2. Nope. Rebound battle won by Kalma. David. Amigo. Malakas. Nandun si Darko. Kick pass. Ayan. Kay Makoy. 2 points. Makoy yung usual play niya. Just waiting for the attack. Then, after completing, babalik siya muli po sa kanilang depensa. And McCoy again. Nice one. Kalma. Amigo. Floater shot. Wala. Again, McCoy on the run. McCoy. Wala. Sayang. Mechanicals called for the timeout. Okay, 4:16 remaining. The score is 34-32. 34-32 po tayo. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 7, McCoy, shooting for 2. Basket made by McCoy. First shot made. Second shot, jumper ready. Pops up. Both basket made. Okay. Again, Kalma for 3. Malakas. Nando si Darko. Darko to Makoy. Makoy for 3. Nope. Nando si Talan. Talan out of bounds. Talan out of bounds po tayo. Number 11 again. Balik muli po tayo. Number 11 to number 4. Baklaan. 3 lang yan. 4 lang yan. 4, 6 remaining. Kalma. Ricky, Amigo, oh, foul on Velasco, for sure.
Velasco, that's the second personal foul, third team foul. QR Towers.
Velasco, second personal pala po yan. And Kalma, number 11, shooting for 2. 3:59 remaining sa ating third quarter action. Pops up, pasok. Kalma, second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Kalma, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Nope. Rebound, battle one by Nicola. Nicola 1. And Jarko. Velasco. Velasco to Jarko for 3. Nope. Rebound. Talan. Nope pa rin. Makoy, 2 points. Makoy, 2 points. And Jarabe, 38-32 lamang po ng animang team. QR Towers, 3:41 remaining. Jarabe, driving. Nawala ang bola kay Jarabe. Talan, Makoy na naman. Makoy for the finish. 2 points. Timeout call by the Mechanicos. Mechanicos tumawag po ng timeout. Pops up. Back to the ball game. White ball. 40-30 lamang po ng 7 ang team QR Towers. Wala pa rin. Velasco, third quarter na po, sir. Darko. Nope. Palpal. Foul called. Shoutout kay Bots Barcy. Ang quarter po natin po is third quarter na po at 3:10 remaining. Hipolito called for the foul. Nicola, number 17, shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, number 17, jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Rebound by Jarabe. Jarabe, rebounding. Amigo. Amigo naipit. And Ricky for 3. Nope. Ayan, si Makoy. 2 points, Makoy. Ang finisher ng QR Towers. And Kalma, power move, wala. Again, Makoy again, positioning. Nope, it's Jarko. Jarko, no, walang pinasahan. Lamang na po ng shampoo ngayon ang Team QR Towers at 2:28 remaining. Sub muna po tayo, Darko, labas mo. Okay, Ricky, labas muna para sa fourth quarter po yan para kay David. And Dipolito, op. Okay, labas muna po. Number 10 muna para kay Velasco. Quality minutes kay Velasco. Okay, Jarabe. David, Jarabe for 3. Bang! Kinakalaan nila yan. 3 points, Jarabe. Jarabe, 3 points. Number 10. Oy! Travel ka doon, boy.
2 minutes remaining.
And Hipolito. 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 Kalma. Kalma, 11.
14 shot clock.
David. Kalma, kumat. Palpal.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds for the shot clock.
9 seconds remaining. 9 seconds to shoot. Sancho is watching also. Nice one. Naku, nawala. Sayang. Hop. Sayang. Magandang cut sana. Okay, balik muli po sa pulang bola. A minute 21 remaining. Okay. Talan. Pops up. Nope. Nicola. Thinking 3. Again. Darko for 3. Bang! Again. Nakanakaw. Makoy. Makoy. Wala. Hipolito. And Red Bull. 46 seconds remaining. And Makoy. Makoy pops up. Rebound. Amigo, 2 points.
Seconds, game clock.
Makoy, naipit. Talan. Nicola. Nicola Kapos. And Kalma. Kalma against Nicola. Walang pinasahan. Good for. Uy. Buti na, niwakan ko camera ko. Okay. Di ako kasali rito. Ano ba kayo? Kinokomenta ko lang kayo. Okay, Darko. Makoy. Talan, number 12, thinking 3. Ayaw. Darko for 3. Malayo. Number 10. Wala na. Third quarter's finished. Come up next is a fourth and final quarter. You're watching right now Mechanicos versus QR Towers game. After this po is Boleros and QDF. This is your aviation friend league, Dabas a Flying League. We'd like to thank the final sponsors. Yan po ang Team LBC, Hanap Padala, Thread the Needles. Nandito po ang SBB DOA and PSB Basketball League. First, second game po tayo ngayon, Mechanicos versus QR Towers. After this po, final game po is Boleros versus QDF. Pero in the meantime po, load po tayo sa Mechanicos and QR Towers.
Fourth quarter. Ball awarded to QR Towers.
Ball awarded now, QR Towers. Opensa po ang QR Towers. Mr. C. Mr. C po. Mr. C, number 43, inbounding. Okay. Nandun si Erskine. Pops up si Haron. Malakas. And nandun si Ricky. Ricky attacking. Amigo. Amigo. Wala pa. Koy Max. Kapos. One more time. Naipit. Quadruple team. Apat na nagbabantay sa kanila.
Foul minute. Jersey number 42. 43.
Jarabe, nawala ang bola. Koy Max. 3-second violation. Koy Max finally saved the land of the Giants. And now AJ. C. Harun. Harun, nagmamadali. Harun! No good. Rebound, Baklaan. Ayun na, Ricky again. Ricky. Muntik na. Eraskin against Ricky. Koy Max for 3. Bang! Yan ang kinakalaan nila. 4-2. Apat na lang. Buhay muli. Mechanicos. And, oy! Down. Jersey number 87 cooked for the foul. Jersey number 7 rather. And the red shirt sport for the inbound. Intercepted. Harun sa ilalim. Pasok. Nice point by Harun. Baklaan. Foul. Okay, 43 called for the foul, and now Jarabe for 3 again. Bang! Jarabe 3 points. Okay, 47-44. Laman po ng tatlo. Intercepted and held ball situation tayo. Bola po ng puti.
Ball will be in for Mechanicos.
Koy Max and Ricky. Jarabe nag-aantay. Jarabe again. Jarabe, lapas mo ulit. Jarabe for 3 again. Bang! Tatlo na yun. Back to back field goals po ni Jarabe. And timeout called. Back to back. Kung ang swerte po yata po ay nasa tabi po po. Wait. Huwag mo akong videoan. Kung ang swerte po yata. Baka pagkatapos na, baka magcha-checking po sila. Okay, back to the ball. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a ball game again. Thank you po sa tatlong sunod-sunod na 3 points po ni Jarabe. Nakabalik muli po ang Mechanicos sa larong ito. Number 47. 47 all rather. Okay, balik tayo. Bola po ng pula. They go now for the... Nagtatrap sila and Kamis, malakas. Rebound Harun, pero may foul.
Ball with jersey number 25. Third foul. Amigo, third foul.
Second shot. 48-47. Again, Harun. Second throw. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Jarabe. Nando si Ricky. Ricky nagmamata. Ricky. Baklaan. Pops up. Bakoy. No good. Again, one more time. Baklaan. Easy good shot. Wala. Hoy! Jersey number 4, Baklaan. 48-47. Laman po ng isa muli po ang team QR Towers. Teka na po, may nagsisintas pa. Okay, tapos na. Balik. Okay. AJ to Darko. Ship the ball. And Jarabe, nako yung bola. Nako, muntik na. Jarabe. Pesky defense by Harun. Jarabe. Pops up. Tapal pa ng bawya. Again, one more time. AJ Jarabe. Jarabe, power move, 2 points. Ouch. Okay, 2 points po by Jarabe, 48-49. Pagpag lang yan, pagpag lang. Okay, Darko inbounding, 6:49 remaining. We have a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. 6:49 remaining. Again, nagtatrap muli po ang Team Mecanicos. Makoy against Baklaan. Makoy now to Jarabe. Jarabe, Makoy! Traveling variation cold, sayang. Traveling variation cold. Traveling cold, traveling cold. Stop break po para sa Pure Towers. Again, balik muli po tayo. And Jack Jarabe, pow! 3-second violation cold, rather. 3-second violation called. Haron to Nicola, to Darko. Again, Talan, foul. Pinala sa baba. Foul sa baba. Baklaan, tatlo na yan. .6:05 remaining. Nice defense. Ricky, amigo, 2 points, amigo. Tesla, intercepted again by Baklaan. 2 points Baklaan. 48-53, laman po ng Dima ang kalaban ngayon. 40-53, laman po ang Mecanicos. Lost the ball, almost. And good ball. Darko for 3. Bang! 3-point now by Darko. 51-53. Time up po na po tayo. Sabi na po ng Mecanicos. Mecanicos, last and final time out na po ang tinawag nila. Wala na pong time out po Mecanicos at 5:37 remaining. Mecanicos, I think yung kanila, since na medyo underman po sila, yung fatigue po, pumapasok na po sa Mecanicos. While po, marami pa pong fresh legs po to spare po ang Team QR Towers. The score is 51-53 at 5:37 remaining para sa Mecanicos. Okay, inbounding po ngayon ang puti. White shirts. Sabi rito, teka lang Mr. Candol, saan makita mga pictures, sir? Sir, saan ako po? Pictures? Ano? Wala pong pictures, ma'am. Video lang po ako, ma'am. Like this one. Kalma! No good. Wala pong videos po. Wala ako niriking bola. Pops up! No good. Wala pa rin. Sir Candol, ma'am niya, yung picture po. Yung picture po, ma'am yan, nandun sa group chat ng Aviation Friendly League. Bali yung access po doon, yung team leader nyo. Nicola, Darko, tabla! Tabla tayo, 53 all. Okay, balik tayo. Hipolito, binababa ang bola. Hipolito, Tala, Jarabe, labas muna, mainit. Jarabe for 2, nope, ayaw. Jarabe, nope. Walang foul, no foul. 53 all. 4:17 remaining. Tela Velasco, malakas. White shirts on the attack. Baklaan, binababa ang bola. Baklaan, permit foul. Baklaan, kahit ano lang yan, matapang yan. Parang banok ng talisayon mo. Baklaan shooting for 2. And after this game pa is Q-Dep. Yellow versus green. Bumamya. Baklaan shooting for 2. 3:57 remaining sa laro pong ito. Baklaan per shot. It's out. Baklaan second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pinatayan tayo ng AC. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by. Oh, it's foul called. Sumabit si ano. Si Jarabe pumasok. Sumabit. Jarabe called. Sumabit po. Sumabit. First person foul ni Jarabe. Number 6. Harun. Makoy. Makoy kay si Polito. Harun. Velasco. Foul. Again, back-to-back foul. Back. Amigo, labas muna. Papasok mo si Amigo para kay Polito. Pops up. Goose ball rep. White ball sabi. White ball daw. White ball. Okay, officials time out muna po tayo. Officials time out by the head referee. Officials time out po tayo. Rep King called for an officials time out. We'll see now what will be the verdict. Pasensya na kanina, kaya kung you're wondering, medyo late po ang ating broadcast po. Meron pong event po kanina po itong venue ito, kaya kami po humingi po ng paumontin sa aming mga nanonood po. Okay, red ball, overruled. Call overruled, it's red ball. Call overruled, red ball. Red ball po tayo, red ball. Harun for the inbound. Pops up. Velasco. Harun na yung mag-isa. 2 points. Ricky. Kalma. Baklaan. Pops up. It's now 3 seconds by late goal. Dapat tinira na yun. Harun giving the lead again for QR Towers. And Velasco. Harun again. Harun fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Jarabe. Baklaan. Malakas. Fishing a foul.
That's your third personal foul.
Baklaan shooting for 2. Nice effort ni Jarabe. Baklaan first shot. Wala. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 2:50 remaining. 55-53. Second throw. Baklaan. 2 points. 1 point. 55-54. And Harun. Velasco. Wala. Nakuha ni Darko. Foul. Amigo, 5 personal foul. Graduate.
Fourth personal foul.
Okay, fourth personal foul rather. Sorry.
Penalty,
situation, both teams are penalties. Darko shooting for 2. First shot. It's in. Second throw, Darko. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Darko. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, Jarabe. Held ball situation.
Ball being awarded to UR Towers.
UR Towers called for the possession. Makoy against Baclaan. Velasco. Caron called for a foul. Again, Jarabe. Third person for Jarabe. Haron shooting for 2 again. Si Haron po ang nagbigay ng kalamangan sa kanila sa UR Towers. Number 95 Haron. First shot. Pasok. Sa wakas, pumasok din. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Basket wave. Out of bounds. Red ball. Red shirts.
Shot clock 14.
Bakoy. Haron. Darko. Velasco. Oh, traveling violation. Kalma. Mali. Kalma. 2 points, Kalma. Tao-tao na sila. Tao-tao na yan. Intercepted almost. Foul po. Oh, traveling violation called, sabi ng referee. Chance again to tie the ball game.
14 shot clock.
Okay, again, chance to tie up the ball game. Ricky. Ricky against. Pops up, Ricky. No good. Sayang, hindi nakuha ang bola. At pasa pala yun. 1 minute and 38 remaining. And Velasco, binabantayan. Woy! Muntik na. Masyadong ano. 14 second shot clock. Again, 1 minute and 33 remaining. Ito na. Eh, Baclaan, lost the ball again. Kalma. Jarabe for 3. Ayaw muna niya. Kalma. Palpal. Di na pa uli. Gumano eh. Okay.
24, jersey number 24, my bad. Jarabe, 4th personal foul.
Jarabe, 4th personal foul. Warning for graduate. Substitution muna po tayo ngayon. Velasco para kay C.
2 shots.
And Darko shooting for 2. 1 minute and 12 remaining. First shot. It's in. Second throw for Darko. Second free throw. Darko. Pasok din. Okay, back to back again. Jarabe. 1 minute and 9 remaining. Kalma. Foul. Foul. Haron for sure.
Foul committed by jersey number 95.
Let's confirm. Haron nga. Call for the foul.
Both teams in penalty. 1 minute 3 seconds.
First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Must make free throws now for Mechanicos to keep them alive.
Kalma, second try.
Kalma, no good. Rebound now by Darko. It's a 3-point ball game for QR Towers.
Pass to C.
See, walang pinasahan.
3-point lead. Hockey Park Colors.
Jarabe
Harabe.
for 3. Default shot, one more time. Jarabe. Dahil mag-isa. Isa pa. No! Kalma. No pa rin.
Here comes Marco.
Makoy, 2 points. The finisher. Nick.
24 seconds. Following jersey number 43.
43 called for a foul.
Penalty.
Penalty situation.
Two free throws. 40.
2 free throws made.
Yeah.
2 free throws.
24 seconds left.
Ricky, first shot. Basket made. Second shot, Ricky. Jumpers ready. Both baskets no good and held ball situation.
Ball be awarded. Mechanicos.
Mechanicos ball. Double lane violation.
24 seconds.
Entry ball and stepping on the line.
Stepping on the line. 24 seconds remaining.
Foul na yan.
Following by jersey number 09.
20 seconds remaining. 64-58. Laman po ng 6. First shot Bakoy, wala. Second shot Makoy, jumpers ready. Second shot Makoy, jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Pasok. Malakas. Backcourt. Nicola, Darko 2 points.
15 seconds.
Minalas. Okay, that's it. Winner by 9 points is Team QR Towers. Maraming salamat po. You have watched now the final game between QR Towers and Mechanicos. And up next po is QDF versus Boleros. Ito bang current Mechanicos po? Now, signing up. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat.